Welcome back to How to Cook Delicious Food. Today, I'll show you the best way to cook melon soup. Rich, flavorful, and absolutely delicious. If you want that authentic Nigerian taste your family will love, then keep watching. To make the best melon soup, here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups ground melon seeds, egusi, palm oil, fresh tomatoes or tinned tomatoes, Scotch bonnet pepper, atarodo, bell peppers, tatache, onion, crayfish, seasoning cubes, salt, spinach, pumpkin leaves or bitter leaf, assorted meats, beef, goat meat, cow skin, pommeau, dry fish, stockfish, water or meat stock. These ingredients work together to give egusi that rich, thick, and mouth-watering flavor. Start by seasoning your meats properly. Add onions, garlic, ginger, seasoning cubes, salt, and a little water. Let it steam on low heat for about 10 minutes, then add water and cook until soft. The meat stock will add amazing flavor to your egusi. Next, blend your tomatoes, Scotch bonnet peppers, bell peppers, and onions together. Blend until smooth. This pepper mix is the base of your soup and gives it a nice color and taste. To make your egusi thick and delicious, add a small amount of water to form a paste. Mix it well until it becomes smooth and creamy. This helps the egusi form lumps when frying, a popular method in Nigerian kitchens. Heat some palm oil in your pot. Don't bleach the oil, just let it melt. Now add the egusi paste gently and start frying. This step is what gives egusi that unique, irresistible aroma. Fry for 10 to 12 minutes until it becomes slightly golden and fragrant. Add your blended pepper into the pot and stir very well. Let it cook for about 10 minutes. Now pour in your flavorful meat stock. This transforms the soup, making it rich and deeply seasoned. Add your cooked meats and fish into the pot. You can also add crayfish for that traditional taste boost. Let everything cook together for another 8 to 10 minutes so the flavors blend perfectly. Finally, add your vegetables. Spinach, ugu or pumpkin leaves all work beautifully. After adding the vegetables, don't overcook them. Just 2 to 4 minutes is enough to keep the soup fresh and vibrant. Your delicious, thick, and aromatic melon soup is ready. This is the best way to cook melon soup, rich, colorful, and full of flavor. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to How to Cook Delicious Food. Tell me in the comments which soup you want me to cook next. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.